Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets. Okay, one more thing, if you have any other question, you can also drop your question for me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and of course it also depends on the exact time you are checking it out. If you're not joining me live and direct, I will advise you to check out the chart again before you follow up with the analysis. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course this had been on downtrend for the past 2 days. And of course I also dropped this signal yesterday, and it cleared all our TPs. And of course there are more signals to it today, even though the movement was a bit slow today, but it's still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. I expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is still selling more. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course this actually went on uptrend right from here. You can see it gave us the W vibes, and of course got to this region, wasn't able to break out from there, had a pullback, and of course try to go back up again. So this is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more and may likely get to the top again. But if it does not, then it will go down again to see if it can sell more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 had been on downtrend, even though it has been moving between these two channels. Okay, just the way we are seeing it, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's move on to Paynex 999. Okay, so guys, this is Paynex 999. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, also starting from this resistance zone. There are pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. If it breaks out below this particular support zone again, then it means that it's going to sell more than that. Okay, so this is going to be giving us, I mean, it is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and of course this also had been on downtrend for long. Okay, it tried to go back on uptrend right from here, but was unable to go for so long, so it went back on downtrend, and of course it is still selling at the moment, just the way we are seeing that. Okay, sometimes markets misbehave like that, and it happens once in a while like that. Okay, so you need to take note of that, and that is why it is always important you have a good risk management in place. Okay, so this is very important. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to this channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.